dropping in. Today we are going to do a quick recipe for stuffed dates. There won't be any cooking. Let's get started. To start with, I put tahini in a bowl, and I like to use the unsalted tahini for this. I got some vegan chocolate chips. I happen to be using this kind, and I pulsed them up in a little food processor, Ninja. Put those in there. We've got some ground rosemary we're gonna add. Now with this little bit of ground rosemary, you can't really taste it, but it really adds a nice depth of flavor. And we chopped up some pistachios. I'm gonna get this all incorporated well. And actually, I've done this a bunch of different ways, and I feel like this is the one that works the best. I've tried different kinds of chocolate incorporations, putting cocoa powder in the tahini or dipping them in chocolate. I really just think this one is the way to go. You give it a try, let me know what you think. And I always feel like I could use more seeds in my diet. I think they're really good for you, and with the tahini, I'm getting some. Next, we want to get our dates ready. For the dates, you just want to take a look at them and then give them a slice open. I always take a look at them because like this one still has a little bit of like a stem piece on there, and take those off. And depending on how the hole goes through them, how the seed came out is how I cut them open. I just like to go through and cut a bunch open first because my fingers get all sticky and everything gets sticky. I've prepared some of our dates, and now we just need to spoon our filling in. I like to try to compact it in there a little bit, and really it is as simple as that. These make great little snacks on the go. They are full of energy, providing nutrients. I love having these on my counter. Give you a quick little boost of energy throughout the day. You can just grab one and take it with you. I wanted to show you that sometimes if the dates are stiffer or smaller, that I kind of squeeze them and give myself a little more space to work with. If you happen to open a date and it is black inside, you are not going to want to eat that one. You should definitely throw it away. We're getting close to the end. You can plate these up to make an elegant dish to take somewhere, or just have them laying on your counter for a quick snack. They're soft and crunchy and sweet and a little bit salty from those pistachios. I really love this. Great for fall time.